Good morning, hospitality students and professionals. So today we will be covering how to run a profitable pizza shop from MVP to opening multiple pizza shops. So I, Shreyas Kradde, talent manager of Gurukul, will help you to give a brief overview about this ebook and which are the courses and the videos that this program contains. So you can also check out the book link we have attached in the description on hmgurukul.com website. You can have the key highlights and what you will learn basically. Foundation wise, you will have here the menu creation, equipment and supplies, the business plan, choosing optimal location, market research, and marketing and advertising strategies. So in this basic business plan, the basic contents that we have mentioned here is the first is the executive summary of the product or service you are selling, the potential customers of yours, which customers you are targeting, the company ownership, are you running in a partnership or if you are running solely, company future and projections. So if you are planning to expand in different sections or if you are planning to have a franchisee, you can plan that in advance. Financing need, if you need any funding or if you are funded by any crowd funded or by self savings. The next is the company description, the company philosophy, on which vision and which mission the company will be working on, company goals and objectives, so which is the main purpose the company has been formed, that should be reminded to the employees also repeatedly. Next is the target market, which is the location you will be targeting first, the competition, how much competition the sector is currently going through, the achievements to date, which are the achievements and the experience that you have that is acting as a strength for you. The next is product and services, which is the core product and services. If you are running an outlet with 3 to 4 products, and if you need any one signature product which is the core product, and what should be the pricing of that of your all over the product verticals. Next is the marketing plan to for getting the market research data clearly, so you can modify your offerings accurately. The next is SWOT analysis, the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats, marketing strategy, marketing channels to be used, marketing budget. The next is operation plan for premises requirements, legal and accounting requirements, personal requirements, inventory management, equipment and technology needs, logistic and distribution, suppliers, credit policies. The next is management, founders and executive team. So if you are heading a team or if you are just acting as a solely and with a kitchen helper or any other like subordinates of yours, so that will be noted in your business plan. Ownership and shareholding pattern, how much will be the ownership of you and between the founder or partners, the board of directors, advisors and consultants, financial plan, the contents, current balance sheet, the which are the assets and the liabilities that will be having initially, the financial projections for 12 months. So what are the basic plan that you are having in your mind, that will be noted in a paper form. Break even analysis, so at which point your profit generation will start and how much you are targeting to make profit in a year. The next is the financing need, at which point do you feel that the financing need is started and we should raise any funds. So that is basically contained in this projection business plan. So we have contained each topic in detail in this plan, so you can have the detailed recipe, the kitchen hygiene, and how to start pizza QSR recipe, pizza outlets, investment required to start a pizza shop. Chef Dheeraj Bhandari have explained in detail in this video about his experience in opening different outlets and successfully scaling it well. The next is kitchen hygiene and the layout of the outlet that you will be opening, the requirement of which are the checklist of kitchen equipments that you need to purchase, the utensils that you need to have initially, so that are contained in this entire course. So you can purchase this course as per the book link, as per the course link I have attached in the description. If you need any assistance in terms of purchasing this book or facing any payment issues or need help in upgrading in your culinary career through diploma or hotel management degree, so you can also contact us on the given WhatsApp number. Our team will advise you properly, and if you have any other questions you can also comment below. We will help you to clear it. Thank you.